Alright, now we got the pods rough sanded. You can see there's just a bunch of little holes and stuff I gotta fill at this point to try and get them really smooth. So I got the gallon of Rage Extreme over there. We're gonna mix some of it up and see what we can do. Now they need to sit outside for a while underneath the heat lamp because it is 30 degrees outside and I am freezing my butt off. Alright, now I'm going to try something here that I've never done before, but I've seen other people do it. The way these speakers, the mounting rings are set up, it's all fancy so you can mount it to a bunch of different holes, but if you just set that speaker in a plain circular cutout, it looks kind of weird because there's all these openings like this. So what you do is you take painter's tape and make it follow around the entire edge. And then I'm going to take the body filler and probably use, where to go, I don't know, a popsicle stick or something like that, and just fill all these holes with body filler, and then pop the speakers out and sand those clean. So then when you drop the speaker in, it fits snugly and it hugs all these curves, and there won't be these weird open gap areas that make it look silly. Got that roughly laid in, and now these are going to sit and dry because it is 2 o'clock in the morning and I am freezing. Alright, now the body filler is all dry, and it's actually surprisingly simple to get these back out. I was worried they get stuck, but it just takes a little pocket screwdriver and work around in all the openings you can find and just pry up a little bit, working your way around. And then the speaker should push out from the bottom and more or less slide off of the tape and leave some of the tape behind. There it is. Speaker comes out. Now I can peel off all this tape, and I'll probably hit these with a Dremel to get the corners all cleaned up, and then just some normal sandpaper on the top. Now I got this one with the initial sanding done, so you can see how the Bondo hugs the speaker, so it doesn't look like it's just slapped in there really silly. And now I've got to do the other one. Fun